It was just after 5 a.m. when the fences started going up. University of California owns the land and wants to build student housing. Protesters say no. In the 60s, violent clashes spilled into the campus. Today, they block cameras, hide their faces.
Machinery burned, fences cut.
Then vandalized construction equipment, smashing the glass and cutting hydraulic lines.
A standoff at Berkeley's People's Park. People's Park.
People's Park.
People's Park.
A short-term victory for the activists.
So apparently People's Park, which is a historic Berkeley landmark, is getting demolished in favor of the university building affordable student housing. But I've been told that there's a protest going on there right now, and I was going to pick up dinner anyway, so we're going to go check that out. The trees are cut down. Oh wow, there's a lot of people there. Oh my god, there's a ton of people. Nice e-bike, man.
Thank you.
What happened today?
They're having a protest. It's gonna be on the news. I don't know.
Wow.
It's such a tough act to follow, but hi.
Oh my god.
What are you filming for?
For awareness. Like, I'm a student and I'm trying to...
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I just heard it. Yeah.
I know. Okay, well, keep strong. Keep the vision strong.
We're excited for that. So,
How bad that go?
It's custom, man. I've been building it for a long time.
You build it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I've already built me one. You know, look to it, some goddamn tractors.
Great to meet you, man.
Great to meet you too. Be safe.
I haven't seen those type of e-bikes before.
Yeah, they're called glides.
Do you guys have thoughts on this, or?
Well, we have a lot of thoughts.
I mean,
Yeah, we're with the city business. I think we would probably approach it differently.
Yeah.
Watch
out,
you're gonna step on a nail. 20 to usually 20 to 25. Come see me. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but I don't see how that's gonna help their cause. I mean, by destroying stuff. But I get it. They're mad because of trees.
Did you chop down this tree?
What's that thing? That's pretty cool.
it's a Sur Ron.
Is that electric?
Yes, sir.
I'll check you out for sure.
Yeah, sweet, awesome.
We need helmets like that.
I know. I was gonna say that.
We'll get fucked up.
Well, we have the.
No, I ain't gonna do shit.
Best of luck with everything.
All right, man.
Take care. Oh, there's an e-bike. That's an interesting e-bike. How fast does it go? 15 miles. 15? Alright. That's pretty sweet. Great. I'm debating if I want to go back out. Honestly, probably more to see and definitely more to film. I feel like it's just gonna get interesting now. But before I go out, I am gonna make one little modification, and that is I'm gonna cover up my Cal stickers, given that the university is technically the one that owns the land. Is that a 0? Is that a 0? That's a pretty sweet bike.
Oh yeah. Race. Can you do a backflip? Let me see you do a wheelie. You have to do something cool for the GoPro.
The GoPro.
I can do that.
Alright, fine, shut up. Good enough?
Ah, you're a YouTuber. Wait.
I'm moving, fucktard. You suck.
See that, dude? 280 followers.
Don't cut the trees down.
I speak for the trees.
Why?
I think that
Because they're trees and people live here.
not anymore.
You know what I think Berkeley needs to do this?
Become socialist.
Red Sanders. You want to do a little? Just a little. Just a little. Alright, here you go. I gave you a little there.
That's
thing's badass. Oh yeah. I guess they're barricading it.
It won't last. It's good for people to feel this way though.
I know what you mean.
Don't talk to pigs! Don't talk to pigs! He does, yeah. Don't talk to pigs! Hell no. How much did you get fucked?
Oh, that's sweet, man. So
Super 73 is the next fastest to the Sur Ron.
I don't know about that.
I love these bikes, man. I'm getting one. Fuck it.
It doesn't matter what it can do, it's what I'm doing. Do you have anything you want to say to the people?
Okay, so 5 years ago, this was an amazing park that was an asset to the community. The university decided they wanted this land, so they quit enforcing laws, setting up a nightmare for this community, taking an asset and turning it into a blight. Now that it's become this horrible blight, all you can do is remove it to heal the community. That's the reality. 5 years ago, there were no tents. There were no strong-arm robberies of students walking by. There were no crazy tweakers that were dangerous. They let it escalate to the point where something had to be done.
Yeah, I've only been here 4 years, so I only know like the very polarizing UC opinion of it. But I'm trying to like understand what's really going on here.
Yeah, so years ago.
How did you guys hear about this?
I saw it on Snapchat.
Okay, cool. Have you like been in the park before?
Literally twice.
Okay, for sure. People are just like uncomfortable because you got cameras on and shit.
Oh, I'm just trying to bring awareness.
What?
I'm just trying to bring awareness to what's going on.
Yeah, it's cool, but right now there are people like who are like black blocked up, like they don't want their like faces on anything or anything like that.
Oh.
Would you mind just taking the cameras off?
I mean, kinda, I would. I mean, other people are filming. I don't understand why it would be a problem that I am.
Also because people, I think people saw you guys talking to cops and stuff. Okay, would you just mind turning off your camera? It's just like...
I can't support the cause?
You definitely can support the cause without having your camera on.
But no one knows what's going on. I didn't know until today, like late, like an hour ago.
Yeah, I know. And we want to spread the word, but we don't need to record everything.
Okay. I've been here like 10 minutes.
Okay.
I don't really get what...
What were you doing, like, circling around earlier?
Flashback.
I was looking at what was happening. I was getting food, and then I remembered seeing on Snapchat like an hour ago, someone said the rally was here.
You can totally be here, be part of this space. We're just asking if you could take your camera off.
I just don't feel that I should stop recording. Like that, I don't think there's any reason I wouldn't.
Okay, but do you see how you're acting hella shady if like you actually just wanted to come here and support the cause, and there was a bunch of organizers who are supporting the cause telling you it makes them feel uncomfortable to have a camera?
But those same organizers rolled up on me with a shitty attitude, and I'm an advocate for the homeless and have been for years.
Right.
I run a non-profit.
I'm not trying to cause problems.
I provided half of the tents that were in
I'm
this
just asking because it's making people uncomfortable for you to have your camera on.
Makes me uncomfortable. Who the fuck are you?
Wait, sorry?
It'll continue to make people uncomfortable too.
Wait a minute, you guys are making me uncomfortable.
I mean, I can turn it. So the update is that I am not welcome here apparently. I don't really understand it. Did you see what happened? Like a shit ton of people surrounded me and said I had to leave.
Well, you look like a cop.
I'm a student. And they were like, take your camera off, get out of here, you're not welcome.
Okay, the deal is like, you have a legal right to capture everyone in their faces, but it's kind of like a weird, like a street justice thing where like it keeps people a little bit on edge when the cameras are on. We're also very on edge about undercover cops right now. UCPD has an insanely large plainclothes division who dress in regular clothes but are cops. So I don't know why they would think you're a plainclothes. We keep on walking around before the light leaves, but it was nice to meet you.
You too, man. Take care. Stay safe.
If you like this kind of video and want to learn more about making your own performance-inspired technologies, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to Pit Projects on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok. This is my outro. Love you.